Hello my sweet friends, this is Mona and today we are doing a super quick but fun makeup look. I love makeup. I love flawless makeup that looks like art and enhances our beautiful and natural features instead of covering them up and making us look overdone. My favorite type of makeup is the one that looks captivating yet effortless. But as I've been learning lately about makeup application, particularly eye makeup, I've discovered that the simplest makeup looks are actually the hardest to achieve. They demand precision, skillful blending, and the right combination of colors actually suit our features and our skin tone. Another thing that is super important to achieve a beautiful and effortless makeup look is having a really good and efficient skincare routine, a good skincare regimen, because it not only saves us time, it also leaves the skin really soft and smooth, making makeup blend and sit on the skin much more easily. And sure, there are days when playing music and doing a 2 hours makeup and skincare routine is like the ultimate form of therapy, but if you are a busy bee, you will still want a quick makeup routine that would leave you looking bomba, cortasa, bugosa, basically the Moroccan way of saying beautiful and gorgeous. Show you a step-by-step guide to achieving a quick but beautiful makeup glam. First, you want to prep your skin by washing it first. Remove dead cells, you need to remove impurities and refresh your face so makeup would look smooth and clean. The second thing I usually do after washing my face is applying a toner, clarifying toner. This will take off any residue I have from cleanser. It is a 2-in-1 toner, so it is not only a toner, it is also an exfoliant. Use a cotton pad. Okay, we dispense just a little bit. Okay, start disinfecting. What I really love about this toner is that it has a combination of alpha hydroxy acids. It also has hibiscus flower extract. Hibiscus flower extract is known as the Botox plant because it is naturally rich in alpha hydroxy acids and antioxidants. So it helps brighten the skin. Don't ever forget your chest. Don't ever forget your neck. Technically, this toner would help purify your pores and unclog them. Chemical extracts like the hibiscus flower we just talked about leaves the skin feeling super refreshed and ready for makeup application. Skin maybe like 4 to 5 seconds just to absorb it a little bit. You might feel a tingling sensation. That does not mean that your skin is sensitive to it. It's just that the active ingredients it has, like the combination of salicylic acid with azelaic acid, penetrating your skin, and it is exfoliating and cleaning your skin. So right now I'm going to use Zahara Sunshield mineral sunscreen. Sunscreen is aloe vera and seaweed based, and it provides the skin not only with moisture but also provides a light shield from UV and environmental pollutants. It is lightly tinted with mineral micas. And look, blends effortlessly, so smooth in the skin. Look. So it is silicone free and it is suitable for all skin types, and especially suitable for those who like a matte finish. I personally like a dewy look. What I usually do after applying this creme is add like just 1 drop of argan oil. So tap your skin gently, and it's super rich yet lightweight. As I told you, we don't ever forget about the neck. Talk all day then at night falling deep. add a little bit of pure Moroccan argan oil. So if you're going outside, this will attract light. Next step, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. Use a makeup brush or fingers. I usually use my fingers or start with a makeup brush and then finish with my fingers. So look up and then gently start tapping like this. Makeup is all about blending. Very cold outside, it's freezing, and I'm a tropical girl, I'm an ocean girl. I was born and raised by the sea. I'm a big fan of cold. I feel a little bit down. To boost my mood, go with the pink shade. Start with this creamy eyeshadow as a base. Give my eyes definition. I'm gonna use this purple pencil. Mascara to finish the look. And I use this liquid blush, just a little bit right here, a tiny bit right here. Super smooth. Final part, we are going to use 3 lipsticks. We have 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss. This one we are using Rouge Allure, Extatique. Just a little bit. Using this color because it's gonna bring out the eyes and the pink a lot more. I tap like this.